worship you. You are here working in this place. I worship you. I worship you. King's House Church, come on, let's sing it along. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. Our God, that is who you are. Hey, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper.
So I did the song in key B flat, okay, and all that I did were based on trials, okay. You know, most of the reggae songs are played using trials, okay, just that they use permutations, okay, to, you know, turn it around and all that, okay. So I'll just go straight to the point with the bass lines that I just played, okay. If you don't know about trials, click the link in the description. It will take you straight to my lesson on trials, okay. So let's look at the progression of the song first. So started from 5, 4, 1, then 5, then 6, okay. So 5, do, so, la. Okay, so with the first bass line, okay, with the first bass line that I played, you know, I played, though most of the things I did were based on trials. For this particular bass line, I just did substitutions, okay. So okay, so I played 4 4 4 4 5 6, then 1 4 6, okay, fa 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 so la do fa la, okay, and then on the do, okay, on the do I just played almost the same thing, just that this time around I just turn it around a little. I did it a little tricky. So I played 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 3, then 1 1 1 1 2 3, then 5 3 5, okay, instead of 5 1 3, okay. I could have also played here on the 4th note, okay, but I did. So anyhow you played it, you play it, you are not wrong, okay. Or okay, you are not wrong, okay. On the 5th note too, the same thing, okay. So on the 5th note I played 5 5 5 5 5 6 7, okay, 7 3 7, sorry, 2 7 2, okay, so la ti re ti re, or so la ti re so ti, okay. Anyhow you play it, you are not wrong, okay. And then on the 6th note, okay, the third progression, the last progression of the song, you know, the triad for the 6th note is the 6th note, the 1st note, and then the 3rd note, okay. So I just played, or I can play, it just has to land on the 1st note, okay, in the triad of the 6th note, okay. So you are here, Okay, so you can, this is the first bass line that I play, so you can just be playing it, be grooving it with any reggae song. Okay, just be following the progression, that's all. Okay, so in the second bass line, I normally hear it from Coco Bass. Okay, and then it's, I think it's from Lucky Dube's, one of Lucky Dube's song, just forgotten the title. Okay, so on the first note, that's the fa, on the four. Okay, I play. Okay, the triad, I played a scale here to the triad of the fourth note. Okay, so 4 5 6 5 3 5 4 6 1, then 1, then 5. Okay, so then 1 5 6 5 3 5 1 3 5. Then on the so, that's the fifth note. This time round, it wasn't so la so mi so. Okay, it wasn't 5 6 5 3 5. Okay, it was rather, sorry. Okay, so that one is 5 1 1 2 1 6 1. Then the triad will be so ti re 5 7 2. Okay, then on the la. Okay, just as I played on the fifth note. Okay, do re mi, do re do la do, sorry, do re do la do, then the triad of the sixth note, the la. Okay, so then okay, you get it. Okay, so this is the second bass line that I played, and in the third bass line I play. So on the fourth note I played 1 1 1 4 6 6 4 4. Okay, do fa do, so it's fa. Okay, so fa do fa fa la la fa. So 4 1 4 4 6 6 4 4 6 6 4. On the first note, that's the do. Okay, that's the second note in the progression. Okay, 1 5 1 1 3 3 1 1 3 3 1. On the so, that's the fifth note, the same thing. Okay, okay, and on the la, note that we are basing this on triads. I just did a permutation on the triad. Okay, all these notes falls within the notes in the in the in the far triads, okay, or the fourth note triads, okay. So when I go to La, I'll just play it according to the La triad, okay. Get it? So that one is mi la la do do la la do do la on the so. We play it on the so triad, based on the so triad, the fifth note triad. So okay, re so so ti ti so so ti ti so. So basically this is what I did in the entire song. Okay, kindly subscribe, like, and give me a comment if you like this video. See you.